Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chanel Future Force. Today we are exploring in depth one of the most remarkable achievements of modern naval engineering, America's high-tech warship that represents the cutting edge of maritime dominance and military power projection. This ship is not just another vessel in the fleet, but rather a symbol of technological mastery and strategic foresight. Its very presence on the ocean sends a signal to allies and adversaries alike that the United States is prepared to face the challenges of future warfare head-on, with innovation, power, and resilience as its defining attributes. From its sleek and stealthy exterior to its futuristic interior, from unmatched performance to revolutionary safety systems, every aspect of this warship reflects a design philosophy that is firmly rooted in superiority at sea. This is not a ship built for the past, but for tomorrow, a platform that anticipates threats not yet fully realized and answers them with decisive capabilities. The exterior of the warship immediately commands attention. Its silhouette is unlike the massive ships of past generations, which relied on sheer bulk and visible firepower to project dominance. Instead, the lines of this vessel are sharp, angular, and deliberate, designed to deceive enemy radars and reduce its electromagnetic signature to almost nothing. Its hull is coated with radar-absorbing materials and built with composites that strengthen structural integrity while maintaining stealth. The design gives the ship the uncanny ability to vanish from conventional radar systems, appearing as little more than a small fishing boat or disappearing altogether from detection until it chooses to reveal itself. The upper decks are carefully designed with a balance between stealth and functionality, housing missile silos, drone launchers, and helipads while keeping a low observable profile. The warship's sheer size is immense, yet this bulk does not compromise agility. It glides across the ocean with quiet efficiency, supported by state-of-the-art propulsion systems hidden beneath its armored hull. Every external element, from communication arrays to radar domes, has been designed for stealth and survivability. The ship is a ghost on the water, built to operate in contested zones where detection means vulnerability. Its decks can accommodate aircraft operations, unmanned drones, and rapid missile launches, proving that the future of naval warfare lies in multi-role adaptability. To stand on its deck is to stand on a floating fortress, one that looks more like a futuristic sci-fi creation than a traditional warship of old. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of astonishing. Gone are the days of cramped, purely functional command centers filled with analog screens and mechanical controls. Instead, the interior of this warship is a seamless blend of military precision and futuristic design. The command bridge feels like the control room of a spacecraft. Large digital panels line the walls, holographic displays rise above consoles, and artificial intelligence systems constantly feed the crew with data-driven analysis. The integration of AI into the warship's command center is revolutionary. Instead of relying solely on human input, the ship now has a decision support partner that predicts enemy maneuvers, recommends counter-strategies, and calculates threat levels in real time. Operators can see a 360-degree projection of the surrounding battlefield, with friendly forces, enemy signatures, and potential hazards displayed in crystal clarity. The interior extends beyond the command center into the operations hub, where electronic warfare experts control drones, launch cyber defense countermeasures, and monitor satellite uplinks that keep the ship connected across the globe. Crew quarters are a world apart from traditional military ships. Designed with ergonomic layouts, noise-canceling insulation, and comfortable bedding, the quarters recognize that the efficiency of a ship is directly tied to the well-being of its crew. Advanced digital interfaces allow sailors to stay connected to the outside world even while deployed on missions that last for months. Each cabin has adjustable lighting, climate control, and digital displays that can project entertainment, news, or even training modules. The medical facilities are equally futuristic, capable of handling everything from routine healthcare to emergency surgeries. With telemedicine systems linked to mainland hospitals, specialists can guide procedures remotely, ensuring that the crew always has access to top-tier care. Hallways are wide, illuminated with soft lighting, and reinforced with security systems that allow the ship to lock down in case of internal threats. The interior reflects not just military necessity but also a long-term vision of sustainability, safety, and human-centered design. When it comes to performance, this warship is unmatched in the naval world. Powered by a next-generation integrated propulsion system, it combines gas turbines, electric drives, and advanced energy storage to achieve speeds previously unheard of for ships of its size. It moves quietly, cutting through the water with minimal turbulence and reduced acoustic signatures, making it difficult to detect even by submarines hunting beneath the waves. Its range is extraordinary, capable of traveling thousands of miles without refueling, giving it true global reach. The power generated by the propulsion system is not only for movement but also for running advanced weapons. Traditional warships often had to balance between speed, firepower, and endurance. This warship, however, carries enough energy to simultaneously operate directed energy lasers, electromagnetic railguns, and high-powered radar arrays. Its radar systems can detect aircraft and missiles from hundreds of miles away, giving the crew a wide window of time to respond. The ship's missile defense system is layered and integrated, able to intercept short-range threats with close-in weapon systems, medium-range missiles with vertical launch systems, and long-range hypersonic threats with cutting-edge interceptors. Its ability to adapt to the full spectrum of naval warfare is unprecedented, whether fighting pirates near coastal regions, defending against aircraft carrier groups, or surviving in a full-scale conflict with advanced adversaries. Safety has been engineered into every aspect of the ship. Its hull design features multiple watertight compartments that allow it to survive even after taking heavy damage. Advanced fire suppression systems automatically detect and eliminate fires within seconds using chemical agents and robotic arms that isolate sections of the ship. Internal sensors constantly scan for structural weaknesses, leaks, or hull breaches, allowing real-time damage control and automated responses. Cybersecurity has been given the same level of priority as physical defenses. With the increasing threat of cyber warfare, the ship is equipped with multi-layered encryption and defensive algorithms that can detect, neutralize, and isolate hacking attempts before they can compromise operations. Air filtration systems defend against nuclear, chemical, or biological threats, sealing the ship and ensuring breathable air even in contaminated zones. The crew's health and safety are monitored through AI systems that detect fatigue, medical conditions, and even stress levels, allowing preemptive medical intervention. Escape pods and survival craft are available in the unlikely event of total failure, ensuring that every crew member has a chance of survival in emergencies. The safety systems elevate the vessel from just a war machine to a truly survivable platform in any condition. What truly makes this warship unique is its ability to adapt and perform multiple roles. Unlike older generations of destroyers or cruisers, which were built for specific missions, this vessel is modular and scalable. Its weapons systems are designed to be swapped and upgraded as technology evolves. Today it may carry electromagnetic railguns and directed energy lasers, but tomorrow it could integrate entirely new classes of weapons such as hypersonic missile interceptors or drone swarms. This flexibility ensures that the ship will remain relevant for decades, always capable of meeting new threats. Its ability to coordinate with unmanned systems sets it apart. The ship can launch aerial drones for reconnaissance, deploy unmanned surface vehicles for patrol, and send underwater drones for submarine detection. This multi-domain capability makes it not just a single vessel but the center of a networked battle group. Its sustainability features also add to its uniqueness, with advanced waste management systems, eco-friendly fuel designs, and energy recovery technologies that minimize its environmental footprint. This not only saves costs but also aligns with the growing demand for eco-conscious military solutions. Price is always an unavoidable factor when discussing advanced military hardware. The cost of producing such a ship runs into billions of dollars, with estimates often exceeding $4 billion depending on configuration. This price covers the research and development of advanced propulsion systems, stealth designs, artificial intelligence integration, and futuristic weapons. While the cost may seem staggering, it must be seen in the context of what the ship replaces. Instead of deploying multiple specialized vessels, this single warship can perform the roles of a destroyer, cruiser, and even parts of an aircraft carrier, effectively consolidating multiple capabilities into one. Over its decades of service, its modular design reduces long-term costs by allowing upgrades instead of full replacements. The operational cost is further offset by its fuel efficiency, reduced crew requirements due to automation, and long-term adaptability. Nations invest in such ships not merely as weapons, but as symbols of deterrence, strategic presence, and geopolitical leverage. In that sense, the value of the ship far outweighs its cost, serving as both a sword of power and a shield of peace. In conclusion, this American high-tech warship is more than just steel, electronics, and weapons. It is the embodiment of decades of naval tradition